I just want to tell how I actually got to this church. We were supposed to go to somebody else or with somebody else to another church, and she couldn't make it that morning because she had assignments, and we decided that we still want to get to that church. And then Joan said, you know what, Anushka, there's this nice church, just let's go. I enjoyed it so much. I cannot tell you what happened to me that morning, and it's still happening to me. It's just an overflow of everything. And the next time I came, Johan actually said to me, Anushka, God is going to start freaking you out the way He's going to bless you. And it's exactly what is happening to me at the moment. I don't know how to handle everything that's coming my way. People coming from the street into my office, want to do business. I'm getting calls from Cape Town. I don't know where they got my number. The guy actually flew from Cape Town this week to meet up with me. And I've been selected out of hundreds of people, and he wants to do business with me.
Amen.
And there is no limit to what he wants to do with me. And yeah, it's just so amazing. It happened on Tuesday, and I wanted to be there so badly on Tuesday evening just to thank God for touching me and making me start believing, if you're filled with the Spirit, that things are happening. And I'm so much calmer with everything. I always used to take everything so at heart. You know, I always thought it's me. If anything goes wrong, I always used to blame myself. If anything that happened in my business, in my family, when something goes wrong with my kids. And I treated and handled it so differently now. I'm so calm. I can pray easily because that's something that I couldn't do. It used to be very, when I was alone. And all I want to be is here. And Johan, I just want to thank you, and I want to thank everyone, because I know it's through God that you all speak to me. I'm just so blessed at the moment, and I'm so at peace.